All right, guys. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Mark 1.7 Electronics in your car. In the package, you're going to be receiving the Mark 1.7 Electronics, as well as a ground loop isolator, okay, a grounding wire, and RCAs, and of course some stickers. Everybody loves the stickers. So what do we do and how do we install it? It's literally plug and play. The most difficult thing you're gonna have to do is find a location on connecting your ground. So in this particular vehicle, the Nissan 350, we connected it to this bolt right here, which is connected to the metal. And actually this is the stock ground, and then you got our ground cable here. And for the cars that don't have, or you for some odd reason don't have that bolt there, then you can always connect it to the metal ground on the transmission, like the bolts around. There's 4 bolts around the transmission there that you'll be able to bolt onto. So how do you connect it? You grab the pre-assembled and soldered and tested harness. You grab your stereo harness from your vehicle, and you're going to plug this in, and you're going to plug this one in, and then this little bullet connector is for your ground. You're going to grab the ground cable that we just connected, and you're going to connect it on here like this so it can get power. If you don't connect the ground on the 350 or the Nissan 370, you will not get power. This little blue wire is for external amplifiers. For those that are running an extra amp for powering your subwoofers, you'll be able to easily connect it on here, which will be connected to accessory where it will turn off and on with your vehicle, so you won't have to worry about that. Then you would connect your ground loop isolator. I already mounted it on here with zip ties. You would connect it right onto the electronics, and you would just tuck everything back here. You can either put it down here and you can zip tie it, or you can put it over here, anywhere that fits. Feel free to use. And then on the other end of the ground loop isolator, you're going to grab your RCA to aux cable, which is also provided. And now you're going to be feeding it through the charge. You're going to feed it through the bottom half, the bottom here, and you're going to secure it with, well, that is why you always want to take off your faceplate and your tablet so you don't damage it. Now back to the video. So we have these little tiny holes on each support, and that is where you're going to secure a zip tie that is provided with the kit, and you're going to zip tie it and hold the aux, and it basically will prevent it from falling back when you remove your tablet and take it inside or whatever. So that is what that's for. And then of course the charge cable will be here. Now this is just a quick demo. I'm obviously not going to be cleaning it up and fully installing it, because now I want to show you how to install the Mark II Electronics by Kenwood. Mark II Electronics by Kenwood. What is it? Literally a single DIN head unit. So what do you get in the box? Stickers. Everybody loves stickers. You get a mic, your ground cable, which you connect in that bolt over here that I showed you previously. So I'm going to set this to the side, and then you get some more stickers. Now this Kenwood is with the companion kit included. So what you basically do is, here we have the beautiful Kenwood with a nice case around here that will be able to keep the Kenwood nice and protected. So what you first want to do is grab your harness. So as I mentioned, this harness comes with the companion kit, which is a 4-port USB hub for any USB accessories like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or backup cameras or whatever else you feel like you want to connect. So you first grab the harness and you're going to plug it in right into your vehicle. You're going to grab the ground. You're going to connect the ground. Again, if you don't connect the ground on the Nissan 350 or 370, the Kenwood will not power on. This little blue wire is for aftermarket amplifiers like subwoofers. And then the 350 doesn't have a glove box. But if you want to use, if you want to put this in the glove box, I'd recommend for you to start wiring all of the wires through the glove box, and then you can actually put it on here. This is why we extend this cable long enough for you to do that. Or other people can actually mount it somewhere under here to keep the USBs accessible. That being said, you don't normally need to be disconnecting and connecting anything from the companion kit once you already have it connected. So you can just tuck it back. You do get an extra charge. This is not an accessory USB. You don't understand how many times I have to tell people, we put a label on here, it's a phone charge. It's literally just to charge any other cell phone or anything like that. If you're connecting the car link it dongle or the EasyCap dongle or any other dongles to this, your tablet will not detect it. It needs to be connected to one of the 4 USBs. So now you would tuck everything back here. Obviously, you would do it nice and cleaner than what I'm doing it. But then you'd grab your Kenwood and you would just simply connect it. And now, where do you put the Kenwood? Again, no particular way. You can just tuck it either at the back here. Now, before with the Kenwood, okay, you need to download the Kenwood remote app. We have a video on that as well. We'll post it on the description somewhere. And you need to connect your tablet to Bluetooth and your cell phone to Bluetooth. The Kenwood does not require a ground loop isolator nor RCA cables or anything like that because the audio connection is via Bluetooth. So then on your tablet, you would connect the Bluetooth, your phone, you would connect the Bluetooth, and you would download the Kenwood remote app, which allows you to control the Kenwood device while it's all being tucked behind the dash, which is awesome. It's great. Of course, your mic, you would connect it to the, this little pink wire that's labeled as mic, and you would connect it, and then you can run the wire. You can either put it anywhere you want. Typically, people put it right here. So they would wire the mic from down here through this little rubber seal, and then you would just boop, connect it. Okay. You might not go boop, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, and I think that's it. I don't think I'm missing anything else. And if I am, please ask me questions. Our team will be more than happy to help you. And as always, Alex is out. Peace.